Do you really need a big fancy camera to take good photos? The question today: do you really need a very expensive camera to take good photos or good enough photos? Thinking back, my very first camera was a Sony Cyber-shot 3.2 megapixels. A camera I kept because it was my first digital camera. Back then, this was a big thing, 3.2 megapixels. Let's have a look at the camera. The Sony Cyber-shot 3.2 megapixels. The charger, the old memory stick, 16 megabyte and a 64 megabyte, and I still got the original batteries. And there you go, the old camera. Yes, and I still have the old manual. To think that was 17 years ago. 3.2 megapixels. It got the job done. Ah, I've got a visitor. Hello, Snapper Chapper. Are you visiting? Of course, an expensive camera will take better photos, but if your budget is low, you can get by. The important thing is to get started. You don't have to delay things and wait till you've got enough money to buy a very expensive camera. Get a cheaper camera, you can get going. The important thing is to make a start and not delay things. I chose some photos from a location shoot and a studio shoot I did to make the slideshow. Yeah, to think I did this photo shoot 17 years ago. Watch the slideshow and you decide. Anyway, we've come a long way. Just a bit of admin. Please subscribe to my channel. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell for further videos. Enjoy the photos and thanks for watching.